A beautiful day for a walk in the neighborhood. Great job with this playground. All nicely renovated. Looks awesome. Everything is green, finally. Oh, look at this tree. Full of flowers. It's a little bridge that's crossing over this stream. Let's go see on the other side. Oh, look at that little stream of water. What's the temperature? Do you know? 20 degrees Celsius? That's what in Fahrenheit? 70?
68.
68. I was close. 20 degrees Celsius. Well, finally. Today is May 25th. This is one of my favorite trails to go for a walk in our neighborhood. I love the green space, and you got sun, you got shade in the summer, so it's a beautiful, beautiful trail, and it's very easy to walk on. But I love the surroundings and the view. You can see the hill in the distance. It's just one of my favorite places to go for a walk. There is a little library. Oh, so organized. Look at that. Somebody really organized the books here. Oh, I found a few good reads in here. We are going to add some magazines to this library today. I love how colorful this tree is. Beautiful. And the white one also. So now we are taking the loop through this little alley. And there is COP. It still has some patches of snow from the bobsled area. It's gonna melt soon enough. I love how everything has turned green in just a couple of weeks. With all the rain we had, it's a feast for the eye. And a little stone bench in somebody's front yard. Thanks for joining me in this walk today. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.